Here's another one. Should have done this in the first place. We can zoom out. Wait for her husband to come downstairs and zoom in. Where she might read it, or she might not. Who knows? He's gonna give a romantic hug. How adorable. They're having boyfriend together. And here comes the kiss. Woo! Okay, she enjoyed that. Must be giving her a gift. Oh, she's giving me a gift. Oh, it's a box of chocolates. I know, he's so romantic. Aw. Ooh. Look at her legs. It's so funny. I love when they get romantically. It's not as funny as that. Hilarious. We say that. It's funny. Oof, that's intense. Oof. And the most funny part is when she like that. I'm sorry. I was going over to that to show you. Wow, that's a random question. Should we? Should we? Should we? Or should we not? Should we? Should we not?